Yo, hey guys, welcome back to another video. Well, it's my first video on Oculus, right? Yeah. And today I'm gonna be playing Game Scooter. So let's just talk about a public lobby and let's see how that goes. Oh, okay. Yeah, so we're gonna be doing today we're gonna be doing uh um a speed run with people. We'll see if we can get them to join. Um If we can't, we'll just do it solo. But I'll ask people right now to see if they want to join. Um, yeah. Okay. So what's that? Um, no. You want to try zero? You want to do a zero? I'm, I'm doing something. Uh, okay. Next lobby. Well, never mind. Let's just do it over. Probably a bunch of. Does anybody want to do a speaker? No. Okay. Um. So we might just do level 50, if that's okay. Let's just do levels 1 to 15. But we'll do them random, I guess. We'll do them random. And just enjoy the video. Let's get at least 200 subscribers from the video. And put it out 1,000. Okay? Hopefully, you might still like the video. Let's do level 50. Yo, stupid squadron. Choo-choo. Awesome. Almost moved their car. Dang it. Bro, I almost moved their car. Let's get another level. Let's do another level. You guys want to do a speed run? I'm trying to record right now. I'm trying to get people to join my speed run. Does anybody want to do a speed run? You guys want to do speed run? Okay, follow me. If you want to do a speed run, follow me. Alright, we're starting from. Okay. Oh, let's wait till it passes. I will start the door. Once I go. Okay. Okay, I'll just hear her. Start. Okay. I think I saw him. I don't know. Yeah. Monster. Oh, okay, guys, what's up? Come on, let's go. Where's Red? Red, where are you? Red. Red. Bro, Red. Alright, let's just go. I don't think we can. Level 2. I saw the buttons. Another? It's not. It's not. Okay, just run. Run for it. Run! Now. He's right behind you. You have to run. He's actually right behind you. Okay, next one. What's up? Oh, I hate this one. It's just boring. Yeah, do it. Let's do this, okay? So- Okay. Want to skip this level? Okay, let's skip it. Okay, let's go. It's level one. Look, go to level 4. Where are you? I think he just left, guys. Yo, those are, this might just be a messing around video, but we'll try to do all the levels. Can we do the Halloween one? Can we go to level 9? Bro, just actually post me. Stupid collision. So, oh, well. mm, I don't know. Which level do you do? What about? Alright, let's just go to level 6. Hey, you want to go to level 9? You guys want to do level 9? Okay. What? I guess. Level 9. I guess. That's not even. You guys know which one? We have to find the rock. We have to find the rock. I'll run for it. Okay, let's go. He's coming. Freaking spider. I'm right here. Okay, where are these rocks? Guys, you have to find them. Okay, fine, I'm sorry. I'm trying. And okay, so I left the phone and girl. Okay. Where are you going? There what is? What are we doing? What is it? My God. Yeah. Oh, girl, no. Wait, this? Gotta talk to the boss, guys. We can't have these are boxes responsible. Not comfortable. I don't want comfortable. Where are you, bro? Oh,
You're good?
yeah. No, I want something. I'm recording right now. Don't look at it. I'm recording.
The chicken fries.
Yeah. Um, bro, no, I'm not gonna kill you. Okay, we gotta jump down and find the rock, guys. Jump down. Oh, sorry, guys, my head is about to die. My eyes did. Like, here. Stop this video. I found the rock. I found the rock. Guys, I found the rock. Guys, I found the rock. Where are you guys? Minecraft Spider, leave me alone. Please, Minecraft Spider. Okay, guys. Watching the video right here. Because my head is about to die. Subscribe for part 2 of Engineering Playthrough. Because I forgot how much that. Yeah, so I'm going to video here. Subscribe for part 2, and I'll see you in the next one.